Okay, Garmin 740 touchscreen, all digital controls, windlass, trim tabs, the Yamaha command link gauges, the Garmin 740 unit, compass up on front, there's a windlass, got a full canvas, and then we've got a iPod stereo, Furuno radar, ship-to-shore radio, and an extra Garmin. We've got new speakers. Then there's a step down into the cabin, and a dinette table, folds flat with clean cushions, freshwater sink, storage area, and there's a head, and the dual battery charger is behind there. And the shore power panel, the dual battery charger, storage, and you got a freshwater unit and storage down below, more storage, and then between the helm seat and the passenger seat there's a big insulated storage box down below, and then the canvas around the back. We've got a windlass up front. In the back is the Yamaha F250. And there's a fold-away bench seat with fish boxes on the floor, shore power, lots of rod holders, dual tuna doors, washdown controls, and behind that hatch there is the live well. And walking around the front, got the windlass, Simpson Lawrence, and we've got the top of the boat, which has the radar, and that's the Robalo 2440.